guys, settle down. The bell's gone. We don't need social studies interrupted by a bunch of misbehaving miscreants. Okay, today we're going to look at how Germany bullied the Polish prior to World War II. Must be that monster in the boiler room. Okay, guys, you know your assignments. You're in your groups, so get to work.
Do you really think something's down there?
Duh. I heard they hired a witch to turn bad kids into frogs.
Really?
No way, there's a goblin girl screaming down there.
Come on, guys, let's be practical. There's no goblins or witches, there's a dragon.
Really?
Of course, how else does a school get heat?
No, it's a witch, I tell you, a witch.
Are you guys talking about the boiler room?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, I'll tell you the real story about the boiler room, but afterwards you gotta promise me that you're gonna get to work. It all happened in a math classroom with a bully named Roger and two friends named Nick and James.
So can anyone tell me what the square root of 144 is? Roger.
You expect me to answer that?
Yes, I do.
4?
No, that's wrong. Nicholas.
Well?
That's correct. I'm going to write some more equations on the board and you guys can just sit quietly for a bit.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, Nikki, you're such a teacher's pet, but you've never done anything gutsy in your life.
No, that's a lie.
Well, if you're so gutsy, I dare you to go down to the boiler room.
Don't be ridiculous, Nick. Come on, let's go.
Stay out of this. I dare you to go down to the boiler room.
So Nick was tired of getting bullied by Roger, so he climbed through the long vent and down into the boiler room.
Whoa, cool.
There's some children in there. You have to go help them.
Why me?
Because you made them go down in the first place, chicken.
Fine. Nikki, where are you? I can't see. How do I get out of here?
Nick was trapped by the fire, but he managed to find a way out. Roger, he wasn't so lucky.
What happened?
There's a fire, I got trapped.
Where's Roger?
Roger?
Come on, guys, we gotta go.
So Nick and his friend got out of the school, but they never had a chance to tell anybody that Roger was trapped in the fire in the boiler room.
So what happened to him?
Nobody ever saw him again. Okay guys, that's the story. So it's time to get back to work.
Okay, Mr. Dodger.